My name is Mooney with SkipperBud's, and we're going to walk through a 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Now, this particular boat has the sports tower, white hull, and then a tan interior. Stepping onto the back swim platform, you can see the swim platform has the tan sea deck on it, along with a manual submersible swim platform that just flips into the water. And a nice wide sun pad. Stepping in, which is kind of neat, there's a cooler built into the boat, so if you're out swimming, anchored out, you don't have to walk through the boat to get cold drinks or anything. You can just put them all right in there. Nice wash down, radio control, and then USB chargers and cup holders. The flooring is the infinity woven snap-in flooring, again brown. Now, what I like about the 270, this is really open cockpit space here. Plenty of seating and then deep storage on either side. The F seat opens up to quick access to the engine. This is a Mercruiser 6.2 liter, 300 horse. The standard power for this boat. And there's just under 75 hours on the engine. Coming up to the helm, on either side there's flip back bolsters so you can sit facing forward or backwards on either side with these flip ups for while you're cruising if you want to lean and sit up a little higher. Has a 12-inch Simrad display, fusion stereo system, and then just your regular switching for lights and bilge pump, bilge blower. On the port side, a pump out head with a separate holding tank. And then some more storage underneath the helm for dedicated table storage space, additional storage as well. Probably my favorite part about the SDX is the huge wide bows that the 250, 270, 290 all have. Plenty of seating up here, and you don't feel cramped like you do in a traditional, narrow V-hulled boat. And then this 270 has the optional windlass anchor. Again, super easy to access, easy to use. The controls are at the helm as well. The bimini does collapse on this tower, and the tower itself is also manual. It raises and lowers just by releasing these handles here. Again, my name is Mooney. If you have any questions about this 2022 270 SDX, please do not hesitate to reach out. This boat is listed through our Marblehead, Ohio location.